Alright, we take a start, and for you my topic is punctuality, and I will ask you 4-5 questions and you have to answer in minimum 4-5 sentences. So my first question is, do you wear a watch?
No, I don't wear a watch regularly because it is not required. I think it's a burden on my wrist. And as far as time getting somewhere is concerned, I use my mobile for that purpose because I have watch in my mobile.
Okay, that's very good start. Keep it up. In your country, is it important to be on time?
No, people don't usually take punctuality very seriously. They are often very late. If you invite them at some time, they are usually 30 to 40 minutes late, and it's a custom to be late, and people think you are a fool if you reach somewhere on time.
Okay, do you like to be on time?
Yes, as far as myself is concerned, I like to be on time because I think it shows your seriousness and commitment to that place or that cause.
Okay, very good. How do you feel when others are late?
I feel very irritated when others are late because I think it shows carelessness and a for granted attitude towards me and for my time.
Good, well done. Very good way of expressing yourself. Let's move on. How do you remind yourself to be on time?
First of all, I maintain my schedule, so I try to be ahead of the time curve. So I know when I have to be somewhere, so I make a pre-schedule and try to follow that to avoid any inconvenience.
Okay, why are some people always late?
Some people are always late because they don't value time and they don't schedule their day, and they are just living with the flow. So that's why they are unable to be on time.
Wonderful. So for speaking part 1, your answers are really good. Keep it up. You're using good language, and through a little practice, you'll be perfectly fine, right? Thank you.